So there are several different techniques for using reverse engineering. There's conventional modeling, fit surfaces, using realized shape and wrap mesh. You can also smoothen out surfaces and use advanced NX surfacing tools. There is realized shape and the ability to highlight face as well. So in this next video, we are going to demonstrate convergent modeling to fix another model with a large crack in it. So you can see we're highlighting the areas around it and then getting a highlight of the crack that needs to be fixed so that we can fill it. You can see that we have it looks like a crayon drawn outline of that crack, and we're just going to slowly fill it piece by piece so that it can be complete again, and then we can unite it to the rest of the model, resulting in a finished part. You can also compare the scanned data back to the CAD model. You can even check measurements and do a deviation gauge to ensure that the model is within tolerance. So in this demo, we're going to color the part and use these colors to rebuild the parts through reverse engineering and traditional surfacing. Then we can trim the data from the solid model. You can see the colored parts. This is all scanned data. And now we have the convergent data. We're going to trim that. Just using simple trim and extend tools. And then we will trim it from the model and have our finished product.